Welcome to clickmyproject.com. This is the title of our concept, Modeling Urban Behavior by Mining Geotagged Social Data. Here is the abstract of our concept. Here we present a method where the features include the exact location of user, also the users who participate in the activity, as well as the time of the visit in urban areas. It's either AM or PM, and between session like morning or afternoon or evening, and the days maximum users go out between the period of Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that is the days of a week which the activity takes place. This we have taken two datasets as per the paper, New York as well as Tokyo. User preference datasets are uploaded successfully by the admin. Admin also does the pre-processing method in dataset, which is used to find the urban behavior by different mining extraction system. User now basically enrolls with the basic details to login. Once login, he or she can view the likely and distinctive features between similar datasets. That's for example, New York dataset, if the user has mostly gone to office as well as home. Similarly, in Tokyo dataset, if they choose office as well as home, so which are the similar datasets between both, which can be clearly viewed separately. It includes category, time of day, and day of week aspects. Similarity check is also performed, as I said before. This enables us to construct a feature to highlight which process values are most likely and distinctively at different locations within a city. Finally, the comparison process of all the categories, time of a day and day of the week is clearly shown in graph in between New York and Tokyo in order to improve the empirical performance of the system. Here is the flow of our title. Thus the server process starts. Server login to perform two types of processing. He also maintains the user details. He updates two types of datasets like Tokyo as well as New York user behavior dataset, and also does the pre-processing process. Then user registers with the basic details and then login to perform to view the uploaded datasets in three types, namely category type of view, then similarity check process, then the empirical relationship process. Category view is basically the New York category and as well as the Tokyo category, which type of entertainment like airport, for example if they are using a bar, or example they are using a theater. This type of category views can be seen as well as in Tokyo as well as New York, and the similarity check process is seen. Finally, the empirical relationship between the time of day and the day of week and the session period is also can be mined and viewed in a clear manner. This is the demo of our process. Now we have start our concept. We have kept home page as the start page. So this is our main home page, modeling urban behavior by mining geotagged social data. So this is the admin module and this is here as a user module. So this is our home page. Now here first we can perform the admin module. So before starting the admin process we have to log in. So this is the admin process. Here is the admin login. So initially admin has to load the urban behavior dataset. So now here we have chosen two dataset, namely Tokyo dataset as well as New York dataset. So now initially I'm going to upload the New York dataset. So here is the ID, here is the name of the user, this is the time, and this is the category they choose. For example, between this time he has gone to cosmetic shop on Thursday, in city. So here are some question marks in between, so this is unnecessary. We have to remove this by doing the pre-processing. So admin has to do the pre-processing in the dataset, that is admin has to clean the unwanted items from the dataset. So thus we have uploaded New York City urban population list dataset. Then again now we are going to upload Tokyo dataset. So here is the name, details, city, and here are also some unwanted data. Now we are going to do pre-processing. So in order to do pre-processing, we have to remove the unwanted items. So initially Tokyo is taken. So these unwanted question marks have been removed. So thus this can be effectively seen. So pre-processing is performed effectively. So here we have kept in page index, so we can view at another pages. So this page index has been kept. So again now we are going to do pre-processing for the New York dataset. So thus the pre-processing is done. So this is the first page. So initial question marks, unwanted data have been removed successfully. Thus the pre-processing is performed, and the admin loads the data successfully to the database, and these data are stored to the SQL Server backend. So now initially user registration process is performed. So here we have to give the first name, so as the user details are saved successfully. Here now we are going to log in. So here different types of views are kept initially. First of all we have to check the future analysis. Now here I am going to view the category list from New York. So these are the categories, list of categories in New York. Then again I'm going to view the category list in Tokyo. So these are the list of categories in Tokyo. Then again I'm going to view the list of categories in similarity check. Let's here it is performed like the list which is repeated in both. For example, airport is chosen by the New York people as well as Tokyo people have chosen the airport. Then again here the second one bar. So here also it is repeated, but building is not repeated. So then again, so we are going to check the similarity, which all the categories have been repeated in both New York, that is which categories have been chosen by both the New York people as well as the Tokyo people. So here is a similarity check. They have chosen airport, bar, bridge, building, bus station. So now we are, in order to view the list in chart, for example I'm going to add this in chart. The second one I'm going to add cosmetic shop, and for the fourth one I'm going to add medical center. Then again for the fifth one I'm going to add office, then post office, etc. So thus the similarity check is performed successfully. Then again I'm going to see the session view. So initially we are going to analyze in New York. So now in New York I'm going to see morning, how much of people are using which type of categories in morning. So in order to view this, so the username ticket at 1:42 AM, he has chosen the noodle house. At 2:25 AM these people has taken the train station subway. So on which days they are coming out. So we are going to detect the urban behavior. So we can see in every page views from initial to the end. So that's the same you can see in evening. So these are the set just showed before us. So they have chosen train station on Friday, in city, Schenectady, so etc. So then again, going to view this in Tokyo. So initially, here is a morning view. I have chosen Cuban restaurant at 7:16 a.m. BBQ joint. So we can view this in every pages. Then again in evening, on the first page, I have chosen this building at 8:50 p.m. coffee shop at 1:45 p.m. So these are the list of datas, etc. So then again, now we can see the day in aspects of days. So in Monday, how much of people have gone out and at which place, university they have chosen, train station, morning they'll be arriving to office, etc., to work or to learn or to somewhere. Then we can see in Wednesday, then we can see in Friday as well as in Saturday. Likewise, we can view in consequent days. So thus, I have chosen electronic store, 11:20 bank, we are at home. So now we are going to check the empirical relationship, that is the graphical relationship for what all we have seen now. So initially the similarity check. So initially this much of people have chosen building, this much of people have chosen the light rail, this much of airport, in medical center, then post office. So here are the similarity checks in both New York as well as in Tokyo. So then again, so here is the New York session view. So this much of people has wandered in morning and this much of people has wandered around in evening. Then finally you can also see in Tokyo. Then this is here is a daytime view. So one day this much of people is more, so mostly Saturday much of people have wandered out. So here this is the analysis we are going to see finally. So likewise in Tokyo, Friday or Saturday, the most of people have gone out and chosen this. So this is the study of both New York as well as Tokyo urban behavior data. Thank you.